www.Braden'sMagic.com.
Hi, my name is Braden Glasgow. I want to show you a new trick that I made. It's with a twisty tie. Like, for example, you could take the twisty tie and say, like, hey, I need to practice on my throwing. Could you, like, catch this for me? So they stick out their hand and just go, you ready? 1, 2, go. And it's gone. It like disappears in thin air. It's very visual. Here's how I do it. There's an elastic band. So I use 2 rubber bands connected to my elbow so it doesn't slide. You can do this differently with better material or whatever. But anyways, connect it to the twisty tie, and you can do all kinds of stuff. You can even use it as teleporting. You can do it as putting it through one ear and coming out the other. All kinds of stuff. You can go like this, like go like 1, 2, it's gone. Or you can go like, for example, you could go, it's gone. There's tons of different stuff you can do with it. So, hope you like it. Email me back.